today's task is to replace the original D.I.D 420 chain on the Honda Dax, which was, I don't know why it's a D.I.D, but they seem to be quite weak. I know quite a few people that have had their ones swapped, even some under warranty. So we have bought a better D.I.D chain, the ER420 NZ3, which is gold, bit of bling, and all we've got to do is remove the old, put the new on, adjust up, and away we go. Pretty straightforward job. So let's start.
That's the new chain fitted. Because the old chain had only done a couple of 100 miles, I just reused the sprockets because they were still good. So it made it easy just to pull the new chain round. Just make sure you get the realignment correct and sit on the bike and recheck the chain tension and redo if required. And that's it. Great. Bye.